Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 46,507 kilometers, which is 28,898 miles. It comes with the reliable 3-liter 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. Comes with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We'll go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's take a look at the dash, starting down here first. As y'all can see, the lights do come on. They also do go away. We'll take a look up here. As y'all can see, the number up top, 46,507. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 28,898. We'll go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.